Hey y'all, happy St. Patrick's Day. Y'all, I just wanted to tell y'all right quick. Y'all at home with y'all family and kids, y'all need to create a cough log. It don't have to be professional, no Excel or Word and all that kind of stuff, no document. Get you a piece of paper, notepad like I did. Cough log. That's me. That's him. Y'all, I'm trying real hard not to call the CDC on him. I got 3, and he got all them. Woo, y'all, he got 2 more coughs. And I'm calling the CDC for real. I ain't trying to get sick. Holla.